The Castmaster? The TOAUTO? Or GONGYI? Perhaps the CANALHOUT? Or the FASTTOBUY? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 melting furnaces available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best melting furnaces. The 5th product on this list is the CANALHOUT 13-pound. Melting tangible things is tough, and it takes a lot of time, especially when you're a first-timer. It takes courage and awareness on how to melt metals safely and properly, which is why a melting furnace like the CANALHOUT is one of the best choices. This machine can be used by both amateur and expert metalworkers. It has 2 to 5 times the life of a standard clay crucible. Just a friendly reminder that working with a silicone graphite crucible can be tricky, so you want to avoid spraying a strong oxidation flame directly into it to maintain its service life longer. This machine can also be used in other fuel furnaces, including kilns, biological pellet, natural gas, coke ovens, coal stoves, etc. It can resist temperatures of up to 1800 degrees Celsius and is utilized for smelting metals. But that's not all. This machine also has convenient handles, so you can easily lift and carry it wherever you go. This machine is a powerful tool in an arsenal, whether you're a jewelry maker or a hobbyist looking to make the most of scraps. Lastly, it can easily accomplish most common metals' required melting temperatures, thanks to its good quality and simple operation. Its pros are, its handles make it easier for users to manage and move on their own. It is pretty straightforward to operate, making it suitable for beginners, and it can effectively melt aluminum, copper, silver, gold, and other metal materials. However, it's not ideal for large jobs because of its limited capacity. The CANALHOUT 13-pound is one of the best items for teaching beginners how to melt solid metals. It is the most effective way to practice whether you're a jewelry maker or a hobbyist. Up next in 4th place is the GONGYI GMF 600. Never before has it been so simple to melt all types of metals, such as copper, aluminum, lead, silver, etc. Yes, you could probably melt waste auto parts and waste cables and make metal out of it, but that's it. Well, everything's different now, and even the hardest metals are easily melted, even when people are at home and at ease, especially if you're using GONGYI GMF 600. It's true that melting gold is tricky, but it's not impossible. This furnace has a body made of highly durable stainless steel with a long life design. Another great feature is that this machine can quickly reach high temperatures. It also has a heavy-duty stainless steel 304 gas burner that produces 135,000 BTU and can heat up to 2700 degrees Fahrenheit and melt copper wire in 15 minutes. That's how efficient this melting furnace is. You'll also particularly love the fact that it has built-in fiberglass heat insulation with a thickness of up to 1 inch and a superior thermal insulation effect. Overall, the complete set includes carry bag, ingot mold furnace, burner, gas hose with regulator, a crucible, fire pad, tongs, and polytetrafluoroethylene tape. It also comes with an easy-to-read manual. To top it all off, this machine comes with a worry-free 12-month warranty, so you know that someone's there to back you up no matter what. Its pros are, it can melt aluminum in just 10 minutes, its full stainless steel construction makes it very durable, and it includes the gas hose and regulator which can hook up to the American Standard propane tank directly. However, it can be a bit difficult to pour from. The GONGYI GMF 600 is an excellent choice for intermediate metal workers. Anyone can become an expert with this machine in no time. Still haven't found a melting furnace that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the FASTTOBUY. Melting gold and precious metals can be very tedious, but you don't have to worry about slow melting because FASTTOBUY is an absolute must-have for the job. Well, who doesn't want to turn waste into treasure, right? This machine has a 13 pounds crucible capacity, which means you can direct the smelting of central processing units for gold and metals recovery or turn those old aluminum cans into dollars. It can assist in converting scraps of copper and rotten iron into beautiful works of art, increasing its value by 100-fold immediately. This furnace has extremely powerful heat performance. It's a single burner with 250,000 kilowatt-hour power and an adjustable 30 pounds per square inch regulator. This propane melting furnace can reach 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit and melts metals such as gold, sterling silver, pure copper, and aluminum with lower melting points in 15 to 20 minutes. What's more is that this machine has outstanding heat insulation. It can hold 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit, increasing the furnace's fuel efficiency by up to 40% and refractory life by up to 50%. This makes it an ideal choice for melting at home. This machine comes in an 8-in-1 melting kit, which includes the propane furnace, a single burner, crucible, graphite ingot mold, and a 30 psi adjustable propane regulator. It also comes with tongs and high temperature gloves for safety and an instruction manual for your DIY projects. Its pros are, it's made with a graphite crucible that's able to easily melt any type of metal. It has a round design and 3D heating system allowing for your metals to have maximum exposure to the sweet spot of the flame, and it can provide superior heat reflection allowing higher temperatures and resist high velocity firing. However, its lid hinge is not as strong as the others on this list. If you're looking for a product that can melt tons of metals quickly, then FASTTOBUY is what you need. It's highly recommended for anyone who is willing to learn more about this craft. The second product on this list is the TOAUTO. When it comes to high-quality melting furnaces, TOAUTO has the lava wave factor that makes the job easy and effective. This furnace has a decent capacity and a maximum voltage of 220 volts. Its heating temperature can reach 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is sufficient to melt metals completely in under 40 to 48 minutes. What's more, this furnace has a grooved graphite crucible design, which is a nice touch for easy removal from the furnace. It also has an insulated lid that keeps heat in a while, keeping oxygen out, resulting in a cleaner melt. Another feature that we like is the smart precise controlling. It has an advanced PID module and a digital control system to provide efficient and dependable metal melting. Furthermore, the temperature in the melting chamber is measured at 2-second intervals to ensure that it does not overheat or cool. This furnace is an electric unit that consumes approximately 1,400 watts. It works with a standard 110-volt outlet, so no special setup is required. One of the best aspects of this furnace is its heat precision. It has a digital control panel that allows you to fine-tune temperature settings as needed. Simply set your desired melting temperature using the arrow buttons, and the digital thermometer will notify you when the unit is ready to use. Its pros are, it has a digital control system making it more precise and convenient to use. It's made with materials that have been tested to withstand high temperatures and extreme working conditions. And its crucible is made of natural graphite with good thermal conductivity and high temperature resistance. However, its 6.6-pound capacity may be too small for some users. This TOAUTO furnace is the best option for scraps and small jewelry and is ideal for those wanting a better understanding of necessary temperature ranges. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top melting furnace is the Castmaster. If you're looking to melt a lot of metal, this furnace by Castmaster is the ultimate addition to your arsenal. This unit boasts an amazing design, plus it doubles the capacity to let you work with large batches. With a crucible capacity of 22 pounds, this furnace is the model to choose when you're ready to get serious. You can melt anything from an old computer's heatsink to stacks of aluminum cans with it. It's ideal equipment if you want to build a business out of scraps and turn them into cash. This model is built to last for years and to melt at high temperatures just as effectively on the first project as it does on the 100th. It also comes with easy-to-follow English directions that are just one facet of this US-designed and US customer support-backed product. Another highlight of this product is that it can be used with any ingot mold. Its package also includes a heavy-duty set of long tongs to save you a trip to the hardware store. On top of that, this furnace is both efficient and economical, thanks to the thick cow wool ceramic fiber lining, even on the removable lid, so you reach temperature quickly and keep it there longer. Its pros are, it's hinge-free, making it easy to remove and keep it from flopping back down and getting in the way. It comes with a set of long tongs so you can work harder and have more fun. Its huge capacity can easily melt cans, sections of copper pipe, and large aluminum scrap easily, safely, and quickly, and it can heat up to 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit in no time at all. However, it has no thermometer or any other form of a temperature gauge. The Castmaster is the best way to experience melting. This high-end furnace is ideal if you have a few hundred aluminum cans to melt or scrap metal projects on the back burner. because your current setup is too small. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.